Okay. Would you like to honk me?
Oh my god, yeah. Alright, it's only fair. Nice.
I got the clown honk. You got the car honk.
We're just a bunch of fucking goofs.
We're just gonna, eventually it's gonna be like every time a part of our bodies get touched, we just make like a fucking fucked up noise.
That has to be something that could be done. We should do that for like April Fools. Just one day we do a collab. We don't say anything, but like every time I like touch you, it's just like police siren bomb going off, helicopter chopper noise, like crowd ASMR, like Oppenheimer, woohoo!
Oh man.